guys, Derek Sockleben here with Tom Cogswell from Spektrum RC, and today we want to talk to you about a few of the updates that have come out for the iX12. We recently just released a new update for the radio, and it's something that's very simple to download from your transmitter, and it includes a lot of great functionality improvements that are going to make this radio even better. So first and foremost, Tom, there is a new sleep mode in this. In this update.
Right. Well,
tell us a little bit about that.
Maybe not quite new, but it's a updated version of sleep mode. Sleep mode before, it did put the radio to sleep. It did go into a power-saving mode, but we found that there was a better way to do that, and we'll just kind of walk you through it here. So, real simple. We're looking at a radio that is on just a basic model, like my Inductrix FPV Plus, and to get into sleep mode, you would normally just double-tap the power button, and you'd have a couple of options here. You have your Spektrum RF on the right screen, but there's two new ones. Before, we didn't have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth as an option to turn off. And so what would happen is if you didn't turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you'd be using up power. So you have an option to turn those off, and you can also touch these here to turn these off and hit apply. Or what you can do, which is really simple, and you can almost do it without having to look at the screen, is press and hold quick sleep. So we see this little warning here. Here's another thing. If you have an SD card in the radio, it'll still be using a little bit more power. So we have to take the SD card out to be able to get to the full power-saving sleep mode, which we like to call like hibernate or full sleep. So essentially you'd have to pop the SD card out of the side of the radio and tap continue. It'll go into sleep mode, and as you guys are familiar, there will be like a pulse on the main light on the front. And then it'll blink a few times and go completely off. That's how you know that's in hibernate mode.
Great.
Yeah. So hibernate mode saves a lot of power. You're literally using very little, like milliamps an hour, a very small amount. I mean, we've left it on for weeks at a time in the sleep mode.
So I was actually at a race this past weekend, and was racing from 10 to 5 p.m., 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. I was sleeping it with the new sleep mode, very religiously in between, and at the end of the day, I'd use 0.1 volts on the radio the entire day. So it's really helped a lot. The battery life lasts much longer if you kind of keep up with the sleep mode in between flights.
Yep, and it turns right on if you tap the power button, just like before. It goes right into operational mode. So really no waiting for it to come on. You can use this as your on-off feature. And yeah, sure, turn it off every once in a while when you're not using the radio. But if you know you're going to be using it the next day or the day after that, just put it in sleep mode. You're good to go. So that's sleep mode for you guys. It's real simple. If you guys want to know more information about your iX12, we're going to have more videos this week. Just keep watching, like, and subscribe.